Welcome back to Zimist Coded, where we simplify tech for everyday use. In today's tutorial, we're going to solve a very common and honestly very confusing problem in Microsoft Word. And that is how to format your document so that the first two pages use Roman numerals, I and then page 3 restarts from 1 using the normal Arabic numbers. Now, at first glance, it sounds very easy. You might think, oh, I'll just change the numbering format. But if you've tried it before, you probably noticed that when you change it in one place, it changes everywhere. That's exactly what we're going to fix today. So let's assume we have a 4-page document. Pages 1 and 2 should show Roman numerals. Then pages 3 and 4 should restart and show 1 and 2. All right, let's take this slowly. First, I'll double-click in the footer area of the document to activate the header and footer tools. Then I'll click on page number, choose any position I prefer, and insert the numbering. Good. Right now, Word automatically numbers everything from 1 to 4. But we don't want that. We want the first 2 pages to be Roman numerals and the last 2 pages to restart from 1. And the secret to doing this correctly is using sections. Sections allow different parts of your document to have independent page numbering styles. At the moment, the entire document is just one section. So whatever we change affects every page. We need 2 sections. Section 1 will contain pages 1 and 2. Section 2 will contain pages 3 and 4. So let's create that break. I'll scroll to the beginning of page 3, place my cursor right there, then go to the Layout tab, click on Breaks, and under Section Breaks, choose Next Page. Now our document is divided into 2 sections. Section 1 is pages 1 and 2. Section 2 is pages 3 and 4. Perfect. But here's something very important. Even though we now have 2 sections, they are still linked together. And if we don't break that link, changing one section will still affect the other. Let me show you. If I go to the footer of page 1 and delete the page number, watch carefully. The page numbers disappear from every page. That's because the sections are connected. Let me undo that. Now we're going to unlink them properly. I'll scroll down to page 3, double-click inside the footer area, and look at the header and footer tab. You'll see a button called Link to Previous, and it's turned on. That means section 2 is still connected to section 1. I'll click Link to Previous once to turn it off. Great. Now section 2 is independent. Next, let's format the first section with Roman numerals. I'll scroll back up to page 1, right-click on the page number, and choose Format Page Numbers. Under Number Format, I'll select the Roman numeral style, III3. Make sure the numbering starts at I. Then click OK. Now pages 1 and 2 show I and 2. Beautiful. Finally, we need section 2, which is pages 3 and 4, to restart from 1. So I'll scroll down to page 3. Right-click on the page number, choose Format Page Numbers again. And this time select the normal Arabic numerals, 1, 2, 3. Under Start At, I'll change it to 1. Click OK. And there we have it. Pages 1 and 2 are numbered I and pages 3 and 4 restart cleanly from 1 and 2. Simple, clean, professional. Once you understand how section breaks and unlinking work in Microsoft Word, page numbering becomes very easy. That's it for today's tutorial. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Zimist Coded, and turn on notifications so you never miss another practical Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.